What platform are we doing this on?
Are we streaming this on?
Yeah.
This is on a new platform called Kittch. So
Wait, Mama, is this like live?
yes, it is.
Like people are actually watching it?
We're real.
My name's Twee Pham, and I'm with Mama Toot.
Hey guys, I'm Derek Sarno. I live in London, England.
Hey, hello everybody. My name is Amanda, and I am the chef and owner of Her Place in Philadelphia.
My name is Diego Galicia. I am a chef and co-owner of Restaurant Michelin in beautiful San Antonio, Texas.
I review fast food and snack food from around the world. Part of that is that people mail me snack food.
We have a little special guest.
Hello!
This is my daughter, Kinsley.
Doing a mouth based on it.
All right, hi everybody. My name is Carlo Magna over here at Magna Cucina.
So today I am going to be making a ricotta gnocchi, which is from my new book, Modern Freezer Meals.
So I thought today I'll just open these up and give them a try.
I'm going to be making some snowskin mooncakes.
Mooncakes!
Today we're actually going to be adding a new dish to Magna, so you get to witness firsthand me hopefully not cutting myself on camera, butchering an oxtail.
This is the dish that we're making. So just a grilled herb marinated chicken.
Right now I'm breaking down a ribeye. This is the process of breaking it down, and then this is what it's going to look like.
Because I'm going to try and test this recipe I've had this idea for, which is basically a frittelle, or like a fried dough filled with some charred leeks and Gruyere cheese and some pancetta.
I'm just going to make something really quick and easy. I like to call it sheet pan ramen.
And today, currently we're in Oaxaca. So we have a 12-course tasting menu based on Oaxaca, and Oaxaca's a powerhouse of Mexican food.
It's they call it the poor man's fillet. So she trims it, silver skin, and then she just cuts it into chunks. Bang, bang. See?
The reason why it's called mooncake is because the filling inside it looks like little pieces of moon, and we normally eat it on the Moon Festival.
Do you know what that sound is?
Huh?
Do you know what that sound is?
No.
That is clams. That means people are giving you clams, like money.
Ooh.
I keep hearing these little ching-chings.
You're getting clams.
You're
getting
money.
clams.
Making money. You see that? And if your fans want to buy that book, they just click the button to the right and buy it through the Kittch bookstore.
That is awesome.
Sounds good. So if all else fails, take my shirt off. Call it a day. More tips.
I mean, first of all, like the whole platform already, I'm like having the sort of picture-in-picture, like it just looks great. What is this? Right? Yes. Question. Shoot.
I was just wondering how long you keep stuff that's like cooked before you have to.
Yeah, that's a great question. So it really.
So this is just real time cooking.
Bottom, and I just take my whisk and I run it through.
Thing that you want to make sure is that you get it like as dry as you can.
I'm just going to take these and break them apart. I've done several videos about how to do this, but I want this to be like a creamy chicken noodle style ramen.
I'm going to keep a little bit of this back so when I marinate it, I can keep a little cup. And then as I'm roasting it or grilling it, I'll brush it on just to give it a little bit more texture and flavor.
So I am the first person to admit I have never made this before, and we're just going to wing it and see what happens.
It's really actually quite hard to pick up these chunks. It broke my wooden spoon.
And these are the Oaxacan, the flying ants. And they're super delicious. The crunchy, citrusy. This a whole one. You can see how big they are.
As you can see, like if I was making one portion, this whole thing takes like 3 minutes.
Vietnamese do it is they like julienne it, right, and pickle it.
We're going to just start kneading the dough.
So now we're just going to roll this out. Again, like the size here, this is not an exact science.
So I'm actually separating the oxtail into portions. Oftentimes, either I'll use a saw or sometimes I'll try to hit a joint, like right here.
Funny.
I'm all about making super indulgent food. If it doesn't taste good, why would I want to be plant-based?
They are canned peanut butter and jelly sandwiches.
Whoa. I don't know
Oh my
about
God.
this.
You ever think, look at this? This is not what I expected.
You know, it's very like pillowy. You still have that like exterior, you know, you have that like chewy exterior, but the inside is basically all ricotta.
I'm gonna do this without getting crumbs on my computer.
Wow.
But you see the pancetta, you see the leeks, you see the cheese.
Yeah, we see it.
Oh, wow. The peppers, so
So as soon as you walk in, this is what you see. It's a very open kitchen. Like we have 2 tables right here, and they are maybe 5 feet away from the past.
I think those words, you know, the words authentic and traditional actually prevent cuisines from rising up and stepping up to the plate and being on par with any other cuisine.
What I like to do also is make everything look pretty, whether I'm eating it alone or whether I'm serving it to other people. I have this habit of it has to still look amazing.
Boom. The refrigerator door in our house is that's a high value real estate area.
Relish.
So organized. Some bagels that will never get eaten that probably my mom stuck in there saying like, don't waste it.
I'm just gonna throw little flecks right here. That was one of the proudest moments in my career.
You ever think, look at this? This is not what I expected.
Because you can't have gnocchi without butter. And if you try to, you're just, you know, it's going to make you sad. So you might as well do it.
Do you guys have any pets?
Clap if you have pets.
Clap if you have pets.
Yeah.
Now, one of my biggest gripes is all these tofu presses. People are like, I need to press the water. You know, screw that. You just use your 2 hands.
And these are possibly the best potato chips I've ever eaten. That's why I saved the bag.
honestly, this is really good. You have to eat this.
It's even got mouth paste on it.
So this is our little mooncake.
Whoa. Oh my God, it's like mochi.
So this is the difference between cutting it through the joint, which you oftentimes will get a nice cleaner cut.
I have enough here to make a couple bowls of ramen, so I might save some for tomorrow lunch. Okay. So I have the green beans that were blanched and then a little bit roasted, so they're going to be good. Just to top it off, so I know, is I'm just going to add, and this might seem weird, but it's really delicious.
So this is called a bokol, which is basically just a masa disc. I would say it's familiar to the sope, just without the rim.
It's okay. Honestly, I'm 100% sincere in saying that I suspect that peanut butter and jelly sandwiches in school cafeterias, hospital cafeterias, prisons are significantly better than this.
Prison.
Let's go on over.
Oh yeah, let's see the wine.
You want to do an overview? Do you want to see what it looks like?
Ooh.
And now I get to have gnocchi. I don't know what you guys get to have. Oh my God, let's taste this. Babe, cheers. Did it.
Yowzers.
Cheers.
Cheers, everybody.
Cheers.
We nailed it, guys.